Hey everyone, Kyle Colbert here, and I'm joined here with my dad, Dr. Don Colbert, and we are excited to announce our new Two-Phase Keto Zone Challenge. Dad, why is this challenge so exciting?
Well, Kyle, what we've done, we've taken the Keto Zone Challenge to the next level. See, we've included a 7 and a 21-day detox. You see, the detox program helps to reset the metabolism, resets the liver, the GI tract, so that you can burn fat easily and lose weight.
What's exciting is in this Two-Phase Challenge, you've got the 21-day detox or 7-day challenge in the beginning. Now that 21-day challenge is a modified Daniel fast. Right. But for beginners, we've created a 7-day challenge. Why are these detox challenges so critical to them seeing weight loss, fat burning, getting into ketosis?
Well, what the detox does, it resets your system. The liver has over 500 different duties, and it helps to restore the liver. It helps to restore the GI tract. It helps reset the metabolic rate so it's easier to burn fat more efficiently, as well as it takes 3 weeks to establish a habit. So the 21-day detox is my favorite, but many people, they don't want to lose that much weight, so they can start with just 7 days.
So for you all that do your Daniel fast in the first of the year, the beginning of the year, this will be a great challenge for you because we also have a phase 2 keto zone challenge on the back end of that. So when you complete that phase 1 challenge, you start the phase 2 keto zone challenge. That's the more traditional keto zone challenge that you are so familiar with and many of you just, love and saw incredible results with. But in that challenge, we've also updated that with a lot of the information in your Beyond Keto Zone.
Yes, that's my new book, Beyond Keto. And that's right over here. And what Beyond Keto does, it takes out the unhealthier fats, the excessive dairy that so many people eat. It puts in the fiber, it puts in all the veggies and the omega-3 fats that we need. It makes this keto diet the healthiest keto diet there is. But what's so important with the keto diet, what we're doing is we're shifting from burning sugar and carbs and starches as your fuel to burning fat as your fuel. And the first fat the body generally burns is belly fat, the most toxic fat in the body. So it's a win-win.
Now this challenge, we've done our best to make this as easy as possible for you. So in this challenge, you're going to be receiving emails daily, encouraging you with recipes and different tips and facts on how to improve the challenge so that you can have the best results possible. All you do to get in, it's free. You go to ketozone.com/challenge. You're going to be able to choose whether you want to start with the 7-day detox or the 21-day detox. We hope you join. We pray and believe for the best results for you. Join us over ketozone.com/challenge. We'll see you there.